Let's discuss the direct, inverse, joint, and combined variations. Let's start with the direct variation. Direct variations. In direct variation, one quantity increases or decreases in direct proportion to another. So parang ganito siya. Halimbawa, meron tayong dalawang quantity. So kapag yung isang quantity ay nag-increase, mag-i-increase din yung isang quantity. On the other hand, kapag yung isang quantity ay mag-decrease, ay magdi-decrease din yung isang quantity. So pareho silang mag-increase or mag-decrease. Meron tayo ditong isang halimbawa. The cost of apples varies directly with the weight of the apples. So ibig sabihin, kung mas magaan ang apple, mas mura. Kung mas mabigat naman ang apple, mas mahal. So dito naman tayo kay inverse variation. So ano naman si inverse variation? Inverse variations. In inverse variation, one quantity increases as the other decreases. So ibig sabihin, kung yung isang quantity mag-increase, the other quantity decreases. Kapag yung isang quantity naman ay mag-decrease, the other quantity is mag-increase. So, alternate silang dalawa. For example, the time required to finish a job varies inversely with the number of workers. So, ibig sabihin, mas maraming workers, mas kaunti yung time consumed. Kapag mas kaunti naman yung workers, mas mataas yung time consumed. Now, how about si joint variation? Joint variations. In joint variation, one quantity varies directly as the product of two or more quantities. Ibig sabihin, produkto siya or resulta ng 2 or more quantities. For example, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So, 6 is the product of 2 and 3. So, yan ang isang halimbawa ng joint variation. So, meron pa tayong isang halimbawa dito ng joint variation. The volume of a gas varies jointly with the temperature and the amount of gas. So, ibig sabihin daw, si volume ng gas ay produkto siya ng temperature and the amount of gas. Now last is a combined variation. So from the word combined, anong ibig sabihin niya? Let's read. Combined variations. In combined variation, a quantity is directly proportional to some quantities and inversely proportional to others. So ibig sabihin, combination siya ng direct at inverse variation. Kapag ang isang quantity ay nirelate natin sa ibang quantity, ay mai-apply natin si direct variation. At kapag yung quantity naman yan ay i-apply naman natin sa iba pang quantity, ay mai-apply natin si inverse variation. For example, the pressure of a gas varies directly with the temperature and inversely with the volume. And another example, the force of gravity between two masses is directly proportional to their product and inversely proportional to the square of their distance. So, ibig sabihin, na-apply dito si direct and inverse variation. So, yan si combined variation.